Learn to upload and verify leads on your email sender account efficiently.
First, create a list by clicking on New List. Here, you have two options: either upload the list via CSV or through a Google Sheet. You can paste the link to your Google Sheet and upload a list of leads from there. Import leads from there. Upload via CSV. Download this sample file. And let me open the sample file to show you how it looks. I hope everyone can see this Excel file I've opened. This is a CSV file. The sample file I downloaded shows some sample data. The columns have fields like first name, last name, and so on, with some sample data, which is basically my information added here. What I can do is add more leads to this CSV. Right? I'll just pick some names from people in the Q&A section and add their names here as if they were leads. Right? Alright, I'll add the last name. Next to their email address. I'll just add some dummy email addresses for now. Right, now I'll add all our unique email addresses, and here you can see there's a column for phone numbers. I honestly don't know your phone numbers, so I'll just add something random here. For the company name, I don't know it, so I can just put anything. Ideally, if I knew the company name, I would add it. For the landing profile, maybe we can skip this. Feel free to remove anything from the CSV file that you don't want, and you can add more custom fields where you want. So, let's say webinar, yes, 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 no. This is a custom field I've added, and I'll show you how you can use these custom fields to personalize the emails we send. Once it's saved, what I'll do is upload these. Yeah, as you can see, you can just drag and drop or select your CSV file. Hit Next. You'll see the data sample. Right. Here, you need to map the variables. I'll map the email column and the phone number. We can skip the webinar. You notice we don't have a webinar column, right?